What's going on, family? So as you see here, this is the RV connections. This is how it came from factory. Why they split this like this, I don't have no idea. But what I did, I bought a upgraded faucet so for the sink. So this one came out, had a 3/8 on the end, and as you see, it goes down to like a, I want to say 3/4. So I had to get this extension, what you can see here, and put this in between there to make this work, and then it'll work fine. You know, you want to put some pipe dope on it, make sure that you're getting a good seal, and put a seal in it. But it's pretty good. And you see it comes with, got a little extra, and you have to tighten these up here too. So I ran them down and got all of that going. And believe it or not, after I did all of that, it even gave me more pressure. I'm gonna show you. I did all of that, so now I got a whole lot more pressure. That's hot and cold. And didn't even check this out. I even got the sprayer here, so I can change it up. You know what I mean? So that was my upgrade. I like this new one, so I installed this myself, and I really like it, man. Like I say, really like it. So that's what I did today. Replaced, they put a new RV's faucet in, and actually this is a house faucet. I just changed the end. I just got a good one, and like I say, it all works. It still works. You just have to do a little rigging. But if you go through the straight RV things, a lot of times if you look for RV sources and you look for RV only, the prices will be a lot higher. For some reason, RV is a fad right now, so they want to try to bust your head on anything you pretty much buy from the RV camper world and things of that nature. So a lot of times you got to look at local sources that can have the same things you need. Ace Hardware, plumbing supplies, Lowe's, Home Depot, and you can utilize a lot of those sources, and you'll be okay. So on top of that, I also want to show you this. I upgraded my shower as well. So, and this new head, man, it's like awesome. Easy to do, but it's most definitely a great benefit having this. So that's what I'm doing today, man. Doing a couple upgrades around the house. Hold on.